Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video I have a super exciting video. I'm so excited about this, but first I will be spilling some tea because I haven't got a chance to do that on this channel and I want to. So yeah, so first things first, I am not the realist. We are not going to do that. First things first, a little while ago, like in one of my previous videos, I don't remember which one it is. If I can remember or find out, I'll insert it somewhere in here, down below or something. But I mentioned that I wasn't going to get a Louis Vuitton anytime soon because it didn't fit with me, blah blah. I don't even remember what I said. But yeah, I've always wanted one. I've wanted the Speedy 30 and the Damier Ebene print for a long time. Like, I first saw that print in 2013. I loved the red interior and I wanted it so bad. And then the Bandolier, however you say it, came out and I was like, that's a great addition to the Speedy. But I was on the fence if I wanted it with the Damier print or not. So yeah, so I'll tell you this and then I will spill the tea. This is going to be a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I'm so excited. Yeah, so we're going to unbox this bad boy. Judging by what I've said, you can probably guess what's in here, but yeah. So before I talk about this, I want to say the famous disclaimer. I am not trying to brag. I've literally wanted this bag for like 5 or 6 years. It was my 24th birthday this year. I got into graduate school. I'm getting my life together, and my mom and dad had the money. They said they wanted to do it for me as a birthday gift, like a congratulation gift, and my mom wanted to have the experience of taking me inside the store and letting me pick it out. So that's what we did. We went to the Charlotte, North Carolina Louis Vuitton inside the South Park Mall, and that's a really nice mall. I highly recommend it. But yeah, we're going to spill the tea now. So we walk in, there's a security guard kind of standing to the side. He's friendly, he nods to us, smiles, and I just kind of look around the store first because I was still kind of debating in my mind what I really want. Like, did I want the Speedy? Did I want to go somewhere else and look? Da 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 da. And then all this time, nobody approached us, asked if we needed help, if anybody was helping us, whatever. Other people came in after us, they would get help. We wouldn't. Still. And then finally that happened again right in front of us. Everybody was ignoring us, so the security guard actually waved the sales associate and was like, they were here first. So that sales associate went and got someone to help the other people, and she helped us. Once she realized that I was actually going to buy something, she got nicer. So I hate that because, like, part of me is like, if you're going to treat me this way, I don't want to spend my money here. But on the other hand, I really wanted this bag and I didn't want to buy it online. So I was just like, whatever. But I mean, after that, it was a really nice experience. They asked if we wanted anything to drink while we were purchasing it, of course. And like, I told her that I wanted the Speedy 30 and the Damier Ebene, and without the band, but they didn't have that bag, and I'm so glad they didn't. She brought the 35 and then the 30 with the band, just like for size comparison, and the 35 for me was way too big. Like, no, that ain't happening. The 30, I loved it, and I actually really liked it with the band. Even my mom did. She usually doesn't like shoulder strap bags, but she was like, I really like that stripe on the side and everything. So I asked her, I was like, this is a little more than we anticipated. She said, that's fine. Go ahead and get it. It's the one you want. So, yep. So, all of that aside, I mean, after the whole fiasco, which I don't know if that's just like a Louis Vuitton thing or what, because when I went to Charleston back in 2014, was it 2014? Yeah. and I wanted to get my little cosmetic bag. Like, nobody helped me then either, although I wasn't dressed up like I was today. So I finally just like picked one up from the display and went to the first salesperson I saw. I was like, I want to buy this. How do I do it? If there was a speedy out, I would have done that, but I was kind of, I don't know. But yeah, I'll insert a picture of what I was wearing. Maybe it was the hose. I don't know, because I have like fishnets on, so I don't know. Maybe they thought I was a hooker. I don't know. But like, I definitely, walking in, felt like Julia Roberts I about said Gerard Butler. Good grief, Richard Gere transformation, and then walking out in the after. So, yeah. Anyway, with all of that negativity aside, we're gonna open this. So, yeah. When I bought my cosmetic bag, it was when the stuff was still brown, so I'm glad that I have a brown shopping tote and box, and then I have the new orange one. So, inside the bag, we have a box. Can you believe it? So inside we have a box, like I said, and it has the pretty ribbon on it, and I've already taken a picture of this so I can undo it, and you best believe I'm saving this ribbon. Ribbon is going off. This would be a really cute choker now that I think about it. Maybe I'll do a video on styling this ribbon. That's a good idea. So I was kind of wondering what kind of box I would get, because I know like the old brown ones for like the magnetic closure. I don't know if they have it with this or not, but I got a pull-out box. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so that's really cool. So, doing that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't believe I'm actually getting to do this. Alright, close that for now. Here we have the lovely dust bag. It's your last chance to guess what I got. Well, I kind of said it. Never mind, just kidding. I'm doing that. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm actually holding this. Like, this is crazy. So, giving it its shape. Here is my new baby, which I've, like on the way home, I bought a purse insert on Etsy for this because I don't want it to get that bag sag. That looks bad, but here it is. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. It smells really good too for it. Oh, got lipstick on it. But here she is in all of her glory. And then the inside, when you get, oh my gosh, my lip keeps hitting this bag. Although, to be quite honest, I wouldn't make out with this bag. Inside, here's the thing. I feel bad showing the price because I don't want to be like, look how much it is, but it's just for like reason purposes. I'll get a close-up of that, like just for informational purposes, okay? That's not me stunting like because yeah, I'm not. But anyway, inside here we have the strap. Oh my gosh, this is all so pretty. So set that. I'm gonna put it on the bag in a minute and do some modeling shots. And then look at the little dust bag, it's so cute. I'm gonna set my baby to the side for a minute. And here is another little tag, and then this thing. Which, where's that other thing? I'm gonna keep all of that with that. But inside this little dust bag are the keys to the lock, which I might move later on. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some research about how people style their bag, but got the keys. This is really interesting. I don't know if anybody's pointed this out, but there's like a little pocket in here. Like a pocket inside the dust bag. But, yeah. So, this is it. This is so gorgeous. I cannot believe that I own this. I'm going to insert some modeling shots at the end of this video. But, yeah, I'm definitely going to do like a what's in my bag on this, a wear and tear, a review. I'm going to maybe like how I end up accessorizing it. I'm going to do everything with this bag, okay? Because this is seriously my dream purse. And I know it's kind of like basic to get to want a Speedy, but it's just, come on, look at that. Look at that. But yeah. Oh, I forgot that the pockets on here actually have a zipper now, not like the slip pocket. That's really interesting. But yeah. I used to have a vintage Speedy back when I was like in more of my preppy phase, but then I sold it. And I kind of regret selling that, to be honest, just because I want to start collecting Louis Vuitton pieces. But, oh my gosh, guys. Mine was made in France. It says Paris right there. Oh, what are the odds? I love it so much. I want to like throw my stuff in here, but at the same time, I want to like stuff it so it's shaped. Like I want to wait for the base shape. I don't know. But yeah. But I might do a video too, like comparing this Speedy to the original one, which was my point that I was going to make with me saying I have a vintage one that didn't have the strap on it, but oh my gosh. Like I can't believe that this is mine. I can't believe it. It's just, it's so gorgeous. I love it. But yeah, I hope that you thought I saw a scuff on it. I was about to have a cow. But yeah, this is just so gorgeous. Like honestly, I'm in shock. I can't believe this is mine. Everything is so beautiful. It's my dream bag. I love it so much. I found the tag. Sorry, this video is like all over the place, but yeah. Inside smells good. But yeah, that was my unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 in the Bandelier. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Yeah, what? If that's lipstick again, I swear. Or is it just, I think it's just, I think it's just the sheen of the bag. I'm totally paranoid. But yeah. Anyway, this was just an unboxing. I'm going to do like a whole separate video on just, I don't even know yet. I'm just really excited to own this bag. But I hope that you enjoyed this. If you have any questions about this, please leave them down below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. And without further ado, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it. Mouth to mouth, I breathe you in. Swallow down your jagged sin. Let it drown inside my veins. The sweetest poison I could take. You make it an art.